Just hold the fucking can.
That's what went ahead without me and pretty much assembled the rest of the fucking engine.
Just a little. Got a little head.
So
Hey, fool, hold this. Hold this hand.
We're teaching our
You're
apprentice.
gonna hold it hard, fool.
He said, "Hold it hard."
Right?
That was easy.
Damn.
Crank that.
And now it's gonna be, so first was 22 and then now it's 65.
Come on, dog. Hurry up. It's not rocket science.
You gotta fucking.
I'm sure about the digital ones that I bought.
For real.
That's fucking crazy.
He dropped like what, 1,500 on the fucking torque wrenches?
18.
Fuck.
Dude, that was 65.
There you go. 65. You're good.
Hold up. Hold it. Go.
You need to strip your shit, bro.
Alright. This one over here.
So he's tightening down his cam caps.
Cam
Or
gears.
cam gears, whatever the fuck they're called. Anyways, he went ahead and put all this other bullshit on the engine already. And yeah, it's almost ready to go in. We putting this bitch in tonight or what?
Yep. Hopefully.
Look, it's already about to be 11. I'm not getting paid enough for this shit.
Hey, cool. Manual labor, dog.
That's crazy. There you go.
This time, as you can see.
He timed in like 2 seconds.
So the double line right here on the belt is going to go in the center where the crankshaft is. Follow it. First one's going to be on the top. Has a little notch. And it's supposed to line up with these two notches from the top and bottom of the cam gears. Marker here on the side. Same thing on this side. Mark on the side. Middle, they have to meet up. Same as the top. And once you do that, you pull this, which is the grenade. You go.
That's it. He didn't do nothing.
So now we gotta do a full rotation, make sure that everything's still in timing. The lines on the top is not gonna fucking matter after you turn it a couple times. So
Do the honors.
if I'm not wrong, you're supposed to do 3 full rotations. So it's top dead center right there, and then over here it looks like it's like a tooth off. Right here at the bottom on the 2 markings, it looks like it's a tooth off. Same thing over here, and then everything else is perfect.
And the markings on the belt are right here. The marking on the belt's right there. I think it has to go another turn, but I don't know. I don't understand Subarus apparently. Alright, this fucking guy pretty much got it all together now.
Got it all timed. Put the guides, so in case if it jumps a tooth, it won't. Fucking will smack it. And
In case it jumps the tooth, it won't smack it.
well, so it won't jump. Or so it won't jump. It'll fucking like prevent it. There's 3 of them. There's one right here at the top, bottom, and then bottom right.
Why not that one?
I don't know. To them.
Why not the middle?
There is one in the middle. I saw it. Well, somebody smack this fool. Roast this fool in the comments if you guys can.
Don't do that.
So,
Please do.
I just got you.
I just got it.
Well, what you're gonna learn today, buddy?
We gotta throw the clutch on this bitch now, and hey, after the clutch, it's ready to go in, no?
I need to throw on the rear main seal and then
Oh yeah, that's
throw
it.
the bolts on and actually seal this backing plate, and then we can throw on the clutch.
Yeah, almost there, dog.
What did I say?
I am gay. IAG means I am gay. I don't know. There's a Subaru. I don't know what the hell he's in. He was about to jack his car up, I guess. I mean, I guess. So, we still haven't put it on because this fool's fucking. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing over there, so. He just got here, apparently. Hey, bro, my jack did not make that noise before. What you doing to my shit? It's just crying for help. That's crazy. That's just crying, dog. Who's squealing like that? Was that the jack or was that me?
That's a jack.
Got the live going too.
Here.
The jack is on life support? Bruh, it's not even red no more. This shit was red when I gave it to you, bro. It's like pink now, really?
Mine doesn't work in
I have it in the van.
It doesn't work that good.
Yes,
though.
it does.
And it's
That shouldn't be. I don't want it no more. I'll keep that. I'll keep yours. God damn.
hey man, it's a headache,
Bro, it's, what time is it? 12 o'clock?
man. 12 o'clock.
It's 12. This fool's over here screeching. You have the jack, you moron.
Fucking jack stand, too.
He said bring the jack. Look at this, bro. He's trying to kill him. Look at the rust, bro. Hey, look at your mom's about to whoop you, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, man. His mom's about to whoop his ass right now. Ooh. Straight through the floor.
The comments is great.
So, we're getting ready to put the remain seal on the clutch on. And then we can throw it in.
Look, it has like a little lip.
If you could go more, go more. If not, you're fine. Bring up the remain on.
Motherfucker.
Go.
Hold it, bitch. Oh my fucking god. Hold it, motherfucker.
There you go. Oh shit.
Hold it, bitch.
I'm holding
Hold it
it.
right. Hold it right. I'm trying to go to sleep too. Hold it, motherfucker. Alright.
The neighbors. Hold it, motherfucker. What time is it?
It's like about to be 1 o'clock in the morning, bro. Oops.
Where's the brake area?
I don't got none.
Fuck the brake area. I'm gonna just throw this bitch in.
Let's put the clutch on, finally. We've been here like 8 hours, bro.
Hey, bitch. Not my fault.
You didn't even explain how you put it on. You just...
Alright, so for this one, it's a 6-puck. And then there should be 9 bolts that go around the pressure plate. I actually had lost one of them, but found it. And then for the clutch alignment, just look around and make sure it's straight and even on each side. And you should be all set. It is going to be kind of a struggle because it has the dowel pins to be able to line the clutch or the pressure plate. But just take your time with it and just do it little by little. And then just make sure this is dead center. If not, it won't go into your transmission. You're gonna have to pull everything off again and redo it. So always double check it.
What he said.
He's a little tired.
I'm very tired. I'm like,
He'll last a little longer.
put that shit on, bro.
You don't wanna go on, bro.
I got you.
Yeah, put your back into the motherfucker.
Oh wait, that little plug's getting caught right here.
The
Oh, no, you're
AC.
good. You're good.
Just the AC.
Alright. So we're finally putting it in.
Put it on, Charles. Alright, hold up, hold up.
So make sure it fits in the hole.
Put it in the hole, dog.
So you give it that. Oh, oh.
Alright, lift it up a bit. Lift it up.
You gotta give it the waddle.
Wow. You like that there, man.
Lower the transmission from the jack that's right there on the side.
I got it.
The jack is not there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
It's down there.
The jack is not there.
I'm gonna kick your ass, fool. I'm really not.
The jack is down there, fool.
Fool, go under the car on the side and just turn it. Bro,
He's
Hey,
buff.
Charles, come over here.
motherfucker, just move. Get me pissed off, bro.
What I do?
He's buffering, bro. Give him a second.
Look under the car. Hold it out. Look. Oh, look, it's right here. Twist it.
Wait, it's on the transmission?
Right there should be good.
I'll let it all the way down.
Oh, okay. I grabbed for a second. Get defensive. That's just the wrong engine.
I think it's...
It's getting stuck somewhere, dude. Oh, you know what?
What?
It's probably those long ass pins on the bottom.
No, the pins align.
The gap is big on the bottom though.
Try it again.
I gotta switch hands.
Getting tired or what?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. That scared me. It's high. I felt it moving on my leg. It doesn't look like it's getting in on the
It's
bottom.
not. The bottom's not going in.
The bottom is in, Dick.
It's not.
It's not going in.
It's not sliding.
There's
in.
a fucking gap.
I know what it is.
What? Get paso.
You gotta lift up the trans. Again.
You just lowered it.
I don't know.
I told you so.
Yeah, after a little convincing, it's in.
Well, this shit isn't.
What?
The fucking... Slave cylinder. The fucking piston.
Uh-oh. That sounds like a problem for a different day. She's in. Look at that. No gap. That's right.
I'm clocking out. Fuck this.
I've been clocked out for like 2 hours now. Well, finally got this piece of shit in. I don't know why I was such an ass, but it went in finally. It's like
3 hours.
2 in the morning right now. But it's in. That's gonna conclude it for now. Peace.
Bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. More millions when you ask how my day go. Order both on that, every fango. Go and we play to this one shit. Two small bands, just to take it from a bill straight. 3 more hoes. Pull up on fucking shit, that's how it goes. They been from coming straight. Bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go.